Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring America's favorite garden plants. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Number 1. Hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are a U.S. garden favorite thanks to their large, fluffy flower heads that explode in shades of blue, pink, purple, or white. Their colors even change depending on the soil's pH level, which is a fun twist for gardeners. These shrubs thrive in partial sun and love rich, moist soil. They're great for borders, walkways, or centerpieces in garden beds. Keep them watered, especially in summer heat, and prune back in early spring for the best blooms. Number 2. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are bright, bold, and bring instant cheer to any garden. Americans love them for their towering height and sunny yellow petals that follow the sun throughout the day. They're also a hit with bees and birds. Sunflowers thrive in full sun and don't need super rich soil. In fact, too much fertilizer can make them floppy. Just give them space, stake the tall ones, and watch them grow fast. Number 3. Hostas. Hostas are the go-to plant for shady gardens in the U.S. Their lush, leafy foliage ranges from deep green to blue-gray and even variegated white and green. Some varieties also produce elegant, lily-like flowers. They love damp, shaded areas and need little attention once established. Mulch around the base to keep roots cool and moist, and watch for slugs, which love hostas too. Number 4. Roses. Roses are an all-American classic, cherished for their timeless beauty and romantic scent. With thousands of varieties, from compact shrub roses to climbing vines, there's a rose for every garden. They love full sun and nutrient-rich soil. Water them deeply but infrequently, and prune in early spring to shape and promote blooms. Knockout roses are especially popular for being disease-resistant and beginner-friendly. Number 5. Lavender. Lavender is beloved across the U.S. for its soothing fragrance, pretty purple flowers, and ability to attract pollinators. It thrives in dry, sunny areas with sandy soil, perfect for Mediterranean-style gardens, borders, and even pots. Don't overwater. Lavender hates wet feet. Prune after flowering to keep its shape and promote next year's blooms. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are the king of edible gardening in the U.S. From juicy heirlooms to cherry-sized snackers, they offer something for every gardener. These sun lovers need warm temps, consistent watering, and support like cages or stakes. Feed them regularly and pinch off suckers to focus growth. Grow them in garden beds, pots, or raised beds for a summer harvest you can taste. Number 7. Boxwood. Boxwoods are the backbone of many formal and cottage-style American gardens. Their evergreen foliage can be trimmed into clean hedges, rounded mounds, or playful shapes. They're low management and adaptable to sun or shade. Water young plants regularly and prune lightly to maintain shape. Perfect for borders, walkways, or even containers. Number 8. Daylilies. Daylilies are a top pick for easygoing color in American gardens. Their bright trumpet-shaped flowers bloom for just a day each, but don't worry, they produce dozens per stem. These perennials are drought-tolerant and thrive in nearly any soil. Just give them some sun, divide them every few years, and enjoy a reliable splash of summer color. Number 9. Salvia. Salvia is a pollinator magnet, drawing in bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds with its vibrant purple, blue, or red blooms. A favorite in U.S. cottage and pollinator gardens, it thrives in sunny, well-drained spots. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and easy to care for. Deadhead spent flowers to keep it blooming longer. Number 10. Coneflowers. Coneflowers are a native favorite in American gardens. Their daisy-like blooms come in purple, pink, white, and orange with a raised cone center that birds and pollinators love. They're drought-tolerant, tough, and bloom for weeks. Plant them in full sun, cut back in late fall, and enjoy years of colorful, low-fuss beauty. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of America's favorite garden plants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!